everyone. I am Sister Sonia, connecting from Bangalore, India. I am excited to be part of this new mission and equally delighted to lead this online counseling services of Salve Care. The purpose of Salve Care is to transform life and to promote quality of life by discovering one's potentials and redrawing the mental map. The center offers counseling, psychotherapy, self-help resources and workshops to facilitate change and to provide needed insights to enrich one's quality of life. On this auspicious occasion of the virtual launch of our online counseling program, it's with tremendous pleasure I welcome our special guests who are joining from various parts of the world. Sister Maria Yaneth, our General Superior from Rome, Sister Antonila Kanapati, our Regional Superior from Meghalaya, Reverend Father Roy Kannanchira CMI, the Director of Deepika Children's League from Kerala, Reverend Father Tony Emesifus, the Finance Manager of the SFS Academy from Bangalore, Dr. Veena Ishwaradas, an expert in clinical and counseling psychology from Chennai, and all dear viewers, warm welcome to this virtual launch of our online counseling program.
This is indeed a unique time for all of us as the coronavirus pandemic sweeps across the world, causing widespread concern, fear, and stress to humankind. Children, adults, and elderly face an enormous disruption of their life at all levels: social, educational, financial, and mental health. During the past few months, the world over, there have been efforts initiated to support people in distress and to ensure care for people with mental health conditions. Our congregation, the Sisters of the Divine Savior, known as the Salvatorian Sisters, in the footsteps of our founder, Father Francis Jordan, whose primary aim was to make God known by responding to the signs of the time, using all ways and means possible, generously and creatively responding in the face of this pandemic. Our sisters in India have taken the initiative to launch a specific website called Salve Care to address psychological issues and offer an online counseling program for people living stressful situations. May Salve Care be the healing balm to many wounded hearts. May all who seek help through this online program experience God in these testing times and feel well once again. I appreciate the initiatives taken by our sisters and wish them God's blessings and success as they continue to respond to the need of our time. God bless you.
Salvatorian presence in India began in 1891. We who are known as the Salvatorian Sisters render our service in different parts of India, keeping in mind the words of our founders and fulfilling their mission. We bind towards the nation's outlook by educating, serving the sick, empowering the women, and care of the children who are differently able, and make them professional and self-regulating them in all levels. In the spirit of our mission, Salve Care has taken a close look at our society to determine its needs in order to develop a plan to meet them. We are ever happy in sharing our resources in improving the quality of life as well as that of the families, children, employees, students, and teachers. Our Salve Care team has set a path for it by providing online counseling programs through the website named Salve Care. The programs designed by Salve Care are to help the people move towards a better tomorrow. I wish that all might benefit from it. Thank you.
Greetings to all. At the very outset, I appreciate this new venture of Salvatorian Sisters to help people affected by COVID-19 coronavirus. നമുക്കറിയാവുന്നതുപോലെ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ കോവിഡ് ഭീതിയിലാണ്. മാർച്ച് 18 ഐക്യരാഷ്ട്രസഭയുടെ ലോകാരോഗ്യ സംഘടന കോവിഡ് ബാധ മൂലം മാനസിക സമ്മർദ്ദം അനുഭവിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ വിഭാഗത്തിലുമുള്ള മനുഷ്യരെ സഹായിക്കാനുള്ള കൗൺസിലിംഗ് ടെക്നിക്സ്, മാനസിക പരിചരണ പദ്ധതികൾ ആവിഷ്കരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലോകം മുഴുവൻ അത് പ്രാവർത്തികമാക്കാൻ പരിശ്രമിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ പശ്ചാത്തലത്തിലാണ് സാൽവത്തോറിയൻ സിസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് സാൽവേ കെയർ എന്ന കൗൺസിലിംഗ് സംരംഭത്തിലൂടെ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ കേന്ദ്രമാക്കി ഇന്ത്യ മുഴുവനുമുള്ള എല്ലാ മനുഷ്യ വ്യക്തികൾക്കും മാനസിക പരിചരണത്തിനുള്ള സേവന പദ്ധതികൾ ആവിഷ്കരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ക്രിസ്തുവിനെ അനുഗമിക്കുന്ന സാൽവത്തോറിയൻ സന്യാസിനി സമൂഹം ക്രിസ്തുവിൻ്റെ കരുണയും കരുതലും മാനസിക സമ്മർദ്ദം അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന മനുഷ്യർക്കായി പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുകയാണ്. വളരെ ഉദാത്തമായ ഒരു സേവന സംരംഭമാണിത്. വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക്, അധ്യാപകർക്ക്, മാതാപിതാക്കൾക്ക്, രോഗബാധിതർക്ക്, ഒപ്പം രോഗി ശുശ്രൂഷകർക്ക്, നിയമപാലകരായ പോലീസുകാർക്ക്, ഇങ്ങനെ എത്രയെത്ര പേർക്കാണ് ഇന്ന് മാനസിക സമ്മർദ്ദം കൊണ്ട് ജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്ത സാഹചര്യം ഉണ്ടാകും. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഒരു കോവിഡ് ബാധ നിലനിൽക്കുന്ന കാലത്ത് ഏറ്റവും ഉചിതമായ ഒരു സേവന മേഖലയാണ് സാൽവേ കെയർ കൗൺസിലിംഗ് പദ്ധതിയിലൂടെ സാൽവത്തോറിയൻ സിസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് പൊതുസമൂഹത്തിനായി നൽകുന്നത്. ഈ ഒരു സംരംഭത്തെ ഞാൻ ഏറ്റവും സ്നേഹത്തോടുകൂടി അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഒപ്പം ഈ ഒരു സേവന സാധ്യത ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ കേരളത്തിലും പുറത്തുമുള്ള എല്ലാവരെയും സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം ആഹ്വാനം ചെയ്യുന്നു. Once again, I wish you all the best to Salvatorian Sisters and Salve Care Counseling Center. God bless you. Thank you.
I am Father Tony AJ MSFS. I am very happy to know that Sister Sonia, who belongs to the Salvatorian congregation, is launching a website named Salve Care. I am happy because Sister Sonia had been helping a lot of students in our campus, in SFS campus. She had been associated with our campus since long. She had been helping a lot of parishioners. She had been helping a lot of youth in and around Electronic City. And I'm sure that this website would be helpful for the people beyond Electronic City. I wish Sister Sonia all the best. I wish every success to her endeavors and for all the endeavors and all the initiatives that a congregation takes. And I'm sure this is going to benefit a lot of people. God bless you, Sister Sonia, and God bless your congregation, and God bless us all.
Don't run away from a challenge. Instead, run towards it, because the only way to escape from fear is to trample it beneath your feet, says Nadia Comaneci, Romanian gymnast and 5-time Olympic gold medalist. This is true whether we live in challenging times like the current COVID pandemic situation, or encounter stresses which need to be resolved, or wish to discover and explore strategies to maximize our potential. Counseling is a support mechanism that facilitates our endeavors. Psychological counseling involves conversations with a professional counselor or psychologist who is trained in psychotherapeutic processes to offer clinical, ethical, and confidential services. Salve Care Online Counseling Center meets this crucial need in the community. It reaches out to support people with various issues such as relationship difficulties, depression, loneliness, poor work-life balance, fears, and lack of self-confidence, to name a few. It also helps people to discover ways to enhance their strengths, explore their potential, be optimistic, and embrace hope. According to John O'Donoghue, poet, theologian, and philosopher, we are sent into the world to live to the full in everything that awakens within us and everything that comes towards us. This is the vision of Salve Care, to enhance the mental and emotional well-being of individuals. I am privileged and extremely proud to announce today the launch of the Salve Care online counseling program.